Hi all, welcome to Anil Nair classes YouTube channel. My name is Anil Nair. Right, today in this class we are going to discuss number system special workshop. Number system special workshop. Number system is an extremely important topic for various aptitude examinations. In today's class, possibly by the end of the class, you will learn close to minimum 10 plus concepts, and we will try to solve close to 25 plus very good quality problems covering various concepts from the subtopics in number system. 25 plus quality problems we are going to solve covering 10 plus concepts. Extremely important for any student preparing for aptitude examination. All the problems will be from number system. All the problems are from number system. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Make a note of each and every concept. Make a note of each and every concept, and you can possibly ask me doubts by sending your doubts to our official number 80500-67891 on any of the concepts that you got a doubt. I will ensure that you will not get a single doubt, right, in the entire class. You can subscribe to our YouTube channel in case if you are watching the video but not yet subscribed. The reason for telling you to subscribe is tomorrow, that is August 12th, there will be Algebra Workshops. Algebra Workshops, as I told you, algebra is one of the very important component for various examinations. Tomorrow, algebra, I will take 3 workshops. Please make a note of the classroom timing. 3 workshops we are going to take. That is from morning 8:30 to 10:30. 8:30 to 10:30. Then one more session 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. 11:30 to 1:30 p.m. Then one more session from 2:30 to 4:30 p.m. 3 sessions we are going to take tomorrow on algebra, and the topic will be maxima and minima. We will cover all the possible models in maxima and minima. Per session, if I take close to 25 problems, close to about 75 plus high quality problems which we will discuss tomorrow. Close to 15 to 20 concepts you are going to learn tomorrow. Tomorrow there will be special algebra workshop starting from the basic level to the advanced level. Kindly make a note of the time. The session number 1 starts from 8:30, next it is morning 11:30, next it is afternoon 2:30. 6 hours of marathon sessions on algebra to help the students who are doing self-study, and also the students who probably are not comfortable in algebra workshop. Now today we will cover number system workshop. In number system workshop, in number system workshop 1, what are all the concepts that a student will learn through attending this class? He will learn digit based problems. He will learn how to solve numerical reasoning based problems. Very interesting concepts we are going to discuss. He will also learn how to solve some miscellaneous types, weight related problems which are coming. You will also solve base system related problems, and some important concepts taken from reminder based, and probably you will also solve some original previous year CAT questions. so that you will understand how you can use my concept to get the answer very fast. These 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are the six subtopics students are going to learn through attending, and the class will be for close to about 90 to 120 minutes of time. 90 to 120 minutes of continuous problem solving. Let us get into the first problem before we discuss some important key points. Some important key points. Suppose if I say digits, total there are 10 digits are there. Total there are 10 digits are there. So starting digit is 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 9. Total 10 digits are there. A digit is a single numerical value. The value of the digit changes depending upon the place position it is there. And the numbers, number is nothing but a collection of digits. It could be 23, it could be 137, it could be 349, it could be 2342, so on and so forth. 23, it is a 2-digit number. There are 2 digits which are used to represent this number. 2-digit number. 2 is there in the tens place. 2 is there in the tens place. So starting from rightmost to leftmost, take it as a power of 10 because all the numbers are in decimal system. So 23, it is nothing but 2 is there in tens place. So 20 plus 3. 20 plus 3 is 23. Suppose if I take 137, starting from rightmost, put 10 power 0, 10 power 1, 10 power 2. 1 is there in hundreds place. So it is 1 into 100. 3 is there in tens place. It is 30 and 7. So answer is 137. 137. 1 is there in hundreds place. So it is 100. 3 is there in tens place. So it is 30. 7 is there in the units place. So it is 137. 2 important learnings. Any single numerical value are from 0 to 9, right? Numbers is nothing but a collection of digits. It could be 2 digits, it could be 3 digits, it could be so on and so forth. If a digit is placed in the nth digit, the value of the digit will be the digit into 10 power n. 2 is present in the tens place. So the value of 2 in this example will be 2 into 10. 1 is placed in the hundreds place. So the value of 1 will be 1 into 100. 100 plus 37. I hope it is clear with this introduction. Let us solve. First question. If I start writing all the natural numbers, starting from 1 sequentially. If I start writing all the natural numbers starting from 1 sequentially, first question, what will be the 10,000th digit? What will be the 10,000th digit? Very good question and a previous exam replica question. If I start writing all the natural numbers starting from 1 sequentially, what will be the 10,000th digit? Before we solve the question, first let us understand the theme of the question. He is writing all the natural numbers starting from 1 sequentially. So single digits he will write 1 to 9. Then 2 digits, the lowest 2-digit number is 10. Next 11. He will write 99. The lowest 3-digit number is 100, 101. He will keep writing till 999. Like that, if I keep writing the numbers, 1 to 9 there are single digits. 10 onwards, 10 to 99 there are 2 digits. So what will be the 10,000th digit? This is the question. Most repeated concept from number system. Step by step we will go. Step number 1. We are starting with a natural number starting from 1. 1 to 9. Total 9 digits are written. 9 numbers are there. Each number 1 digit, 9 into 1. 10 to 99. 10 to 99. How to count the number of numbers? Number of numbers from A to B. From A to B. It is nothing but B minus A plus 1. B minus A plus 1. b minus a plus 1. So 99 minus 10, 89, 89 plus 1. Total 90 numbers I wrote. Every number 2 digits I wrote. 90 into 2 is 180. Again I am repeating. 10, 11, 12 and so on up to 99. 10 to 99. Total 90 numbers are there. In every number I used 2 digits. 90 into 2 is 180. Next one. Next it is 100. 100 to 999. I need to go till 10,000th digit. Number of numbers from A to B. It is nothing but B minus A plus 1. So it is 999 minus 100. 899 plus 1, 900. Every number it is 3 digits. So total it is 2700 digits are used. If I go to the next level, I will get 9000 into 4. 9000 into 4 is 36,000. I want 10,000th digit. Please stop it here. So I wrote all the natural numbers from 1 to 999. Totally how many digits I used? 2700 plus 180. 2880 plus 1. 2889 digits I already wrote. 2889 digits I already wrote, but I want 10,000th digit. I want 10,000th digit, but 2889 digits are already written. 2889 digits are already written. Remaining how many digits are there? 7111 digits I need to write. 7111 digits I need to write. I will do it in a new slide. So I want 10,000th digit. 10,000th digit. 10,000th digit. Totally out of 10,000th digit, totally 2889 digits are already written. So total 7111 digits we need to write. 7111 digits we need to write. What are the numbers that we wrote? 1 to 9. Next it is 10 to 99. Next it is 100 to 999. Single digits over, 2 digits over, 3 digits over. So these nothing but 9. These 90 into 2. These 900 into 3. So after 999, what is the number that I will write? 1000. What is the next number? 1001. What is the next number? 1002. And the process goes on. Every number you write after 999 is a group of 4 digits. It is a group of 4 digits. In 7111 remaining digits, how many groups of 4 digits are there? Divide by 4. 4 17s are 68, 31. 4 7s are 28, 31. 4 7s are 28, 3. What is this one? These are the number of groups. Total 1777 groups are there. In every group, how many digits are present? 4 digits are present. After 1777th group is over, the third digit you write, that itself is the answer. Now if you see here, listen carefully. First group is 1000 plus 0. Second group is 1000 plus 1. Third group is 1000 plus 2. First group 1000 plus 0. Second group 1000 plus 1. Third group 1000 plus 2. 1777th group 1000 plus 1776. First it is 0. Second it is 1. Third it is 2. 1777 will become 1000 plus 1776. These is nothing but 2776. 2776 is the numerical value, which is nothing but the 1777th group. After that, what is the third digit? First I will write 2, then 7, then 7. The third digit which I will write in the sequential order, answer digit. 10,000th digit, it is nothing but 7. 10,000th digit, it is nothing but 7. Again I am repeating it. Step number 1. It is natural numbers. It is starting from 1. So 1 to 9 single digits. So 9 first step. 2 digits 10 to 99, 90 numbers. Every number 2 digits, 90 into 2. Next 100 to 999, 900 numbers. Every number 3 digits. Totally 2889 digits are already written. I want 10,000th digit. 2889 digits are already written. Remaining are 7111 digits. So after 999, 1000, 1001, 1002 and so on. First group is 1000 plus 0. Second group is 1000 plus 1. Third group is 1000 plus 2. 7111. Which group number it is? After 999, every number is a group of 4 digits. 4 into 1777 plus 3. First group is 1000 plus 0. Second group 1000 plus 1. 1777. 1000 plus 1776. 2776 is the number which is nothing but 1777th group. The next number is 2777, but I just need the third digit. Third digit, it is nothing but 7. Answer for this question is 7. In case if it is still not clear to you, I will do 2 more questions so that it will be crystal clear to you. Second one, 720 first digit. Same. The theme of the question is same, 720 first digit. If it is 720 first digit, first single digits 1 to 9, 9 are written. Then 2 digits 10 to 99. Total 90 numbers are there. Every number 2 digits. 90 into 2, 180. Next number will become 900 into 3, 2700. It is exceeding this one. So totally 189 digits. Totally 189 digits, I already used it. I want 720 first digit, out of which 189 digits are already used. 11 minus 9 2. 11 minus 50. 532 digits I need to write. Don't do any calculation mistake. 721 minus 189. 721 minus 189. See here, in case if you are not comfortable, suppose for example, 92 minus 89 or for example 192 minus 89 is there. So generally how you will do is, it is 103. What you do is, 89 is how much if I add, it will reach 100. 11, add 11 here, add 11 here. These is nothing but 203. Minus 100. Subtraction will become very easy. Answer is 103. Suppose for example 378 minus 293 I have to do. What you do is just 293. It is nearer to which multiple of 100? 300. Add 7 here. Here also add 7. These are nothing but 385 minus of 300. Answer is nothing but 85. Answer is nothing but 85. You can simplify the subtraction by this. 721 minus 189. 189. Add 11 to it. Add 11 to it. These is 732 minus of 189 plus 100. 200, which is 532. I hope it is clear. You can actually reduce your subtraction time by making one number closer to multiples of 10. Closer to multiples of 10. 373 minus 211. Minus 211. So what you do is, you subtract 11 here. You subtract 11 here. These are nothing but 726 minus 200. These are nothing but 526. I hope the idea it is clear. You can actually save a lot of time in subtraction if you know these subtraction technique. Subtraction technique says make one number nearer to multiple of 10 so that you can save your time. Make one number. So here we got 532 digits. So that is the reason, because it is subtraction I did it. Now 532 digits I need to write. 720 first digit. 720 first digit. In this slide, I will do 2 questions so that it will be crystal clear to you. So what is that we wrote? 1 to 99, 10 to 99, 90 into 2, 180. Total 189 digits are already written. 189 digits are already written. 729 minus 189. These are nothing but 532 digits we need to write. 532 digits, how many groups are there? We will see. After 99, every number is of the form 3 digits. 100, 101, 102 and so on. Each is a group of 3 digits. So 532. How many groups are there? Every number is a group of 3 digits. Divide by 3. 3 17s are 51, 22 into 7 plus 1. 3 into 177 plus 1. 3 into 177 plus 1. First group is 100 plus 0. Second group is 100 plus 1. 177th group is 100 plus 176, which is 276. Next number is 277. The first digit we will write is nothing but 2. The first digit we will write is nothing but 2. I hope the idea it is clear. One more question. 274th digit. 3 questions on this model. I think it should be clear. 274th digit. 1 to 9. It is 9 digits. 10 to 99. Total 90 numbers. Each number 2 digits. 90 into 2, 180. Total 189 digits are already written. But I want 274th digit. Subtract it from 189. 14 minus 9, 5. It is 85. Or what you can do, add 11, add 11. This will, if you practice it, this method will be very, very easy, sir. Total 85 digits we have to write. After 99, the numbers will be 100, 101. So, 85th digit, it is 3 into 28 plus 1. 3 into 28 plus 1. First group is 100 plus 0. Second group is 100 plus 1. 28th group is 100 plus 27, 127. Next number is 128. First digit we will write is 1. First digit we will write is 1. 3 examples based on finding the nth digit. If I write all the natural numbers starting from 1, the best way for you to learn is, we solved 3 questions. Take any numerical value that comes into your mind. Use the same flow chart. Go step by step and find out the answer. Most critical concepts we are going to discuss today. Kindly watch the entire class, prepare a notebook on your own and revise it as much as possible. Through these CAT workshops, I will take you from an basic level to an advanced level 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, this question can also be asked like this. Let us see what is the way that it can be asked. Second variety. A book has 252 pages. A book has 252 pages. How many digits are used? How many digits are used? How many digits are used to number the pages? To number the pages starting from 1. To number the pages starting from 1. Another variety of question, second variety. Starting from 1. There is a book, it seems, it has got 252 pages. How many digits are used to number all these pages starting from 1? Now see here. Total is starting from 1. 9 pages, 9 digits are used. 10 to 99. 90 pages, to name every number, any page, 2 digits are used. 90 into 2, 180. 100 to 252. 100 to 252. 153 pages are there. Every page, right to page number 2. Denote it, we require 3 digits. 459 plus 189. Again see here. 459 plus 189. 459 plus 189. So what you can do here is, here we did addition. So here add 11, here subtract 11. These nothing but 448 plus 200. 648 digits are used to number these pages. Make one number multiple of 10 so that the calculation will become easier. Suppose if it is 267 plus 389 is there. If you are comfortable with addition, do it. If you are not comfortable, make one number multiple of 10, 400 plus 11 minus 11. So these is nothing but 256 plus 400. These is nothing but 656. 256 plus 400. How you got? Subtracted 11 and added 11. We did the same thing for subtraction. A book has 252 pages. So we exactly stopped at 252 pages. So after 9, 1 minute sir. After 1 to 9 page numbers, 9 digits, 9 to 99, 90 page numbers, every page number 2 digits, 90 into 2, 100 to 252, 153 into 3, 450 plus 189, 450 plus 189. I hope it is clear. Suppose if it is 1083 plus 496. So you can add 4 here, you can subtract 4 here. These 1079 plus 500, answer is 1579. If you are good in adding with the numbers which are multiples of 10, use this method. In case if you are comfortable with this, you can use this method. I hope it is clear. It is 252 pages. Let us do one more example. 2308 pages. If I start writing the page number starting from 1, same question, 2 examples, 1 to 9, 10 to 99, 90 numbers, every number 2 digits, 100 to 999, total 900 numbers, every number 3 digits, 2700, 1000 to 2308. So B minus A, that also I will tell you an idea. 1309 into 4, which is 50 to 36 digits I will use. So these is nothing but 189 plus 2700 plus 50 to 36. In case if you find it complicated, do plus 11 and do minus 11. These is nothing but 200, next is 2700 and next is 50 to 25. Just looking the numbers, it will be very easy sir. 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 2 11, answer is 8125. I hope it is clear. In case if you don't want to remember B minus A plus 1, suppose I want from 10 to 99 numbers, 10 to 99 numbers. Now see here, what you do is subtract 9 from both the sides. These is nothing but 1 to 90. 1 to 90, how many numbers are there? 90 numbers are there. 90 numbers are there. If anybody asks from 23 to 87, how many numbers are there? In case if you cannot remember B minus A plus 1, make the starting lowest value 1. Lowest value 1 means subtract 22. 23 minus 22, 1. 87 minus 22, 65. 1 to 65. How many numbers are there? Which is 65 numbers. Make the starting value 1 in case if you are not comfortable with B minus A plus 1. I hope this idea it is clear. 2 concepts that we discussed. Now, third concept. Write third variety of questions. For question number 3. Now see here, there are certain natural numbers starting from 1 to n. These is nothing but a CAT original question. CAT original exam question. On a blackboard, there are certain natural numbers from 1 to n which are there on the board. Anil Nair asked a student to find out the average of these numbers. A student erased one number. After erasing one number, he found out the average of the remaining numbers. He erased one number and average of the remaining numbers he found out to be 35 7 by 17. There are 1 to n natural numbers which are there on the board. Anil Nair asked a student to find out the average. He being naughty, he went and erased one number and he said that average of the remaining numbers, it is 35 7 by 17. Which number is erased? Which number is erased? Second question. How many numbers were written on the board? Next half an hour, listen carefully to each and every problem. How many numbers are written on the board? Initially, how many numbers are written on the board initially? Once you understand single step, less than 1 minute, you can solve the question. No complicated equations, we can make it very, very easy. 1, 2, 3 to n, these are the n natural numbers on the board. Now, First we will discuss the concept, then I will apply the concept. Concept. If the series is in arithmetic progression, if the series is in arithmetic progression means difference between the numbers will be constant, 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16 and so on. Average is also called as the arithmetic mean. Average is also called as the arithmetic mean. It is given by first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. For example, once you understand it, it will be 1, 4, 7, 10, 13. Difference between the consecutive values, it is the same. So average is first term plus last term by 2. 14 by 2. It is nothing but 7. There are 2 terms to the left, 2 terms to the right. Suppose if the number of terms are even 1, 4, 7, 10, 13, 16. Average is first term plus last term by 2. 1 plus 16 by 2. 17 by 2. It is 8.5. There are 3 terms to the left and 3 terms to the right. Average, it is always given by first term plus last term by 2. First term plus last term by 2. Now, first term plus last term by 2. I hope the idea it is clear. Now, if you observe, if the average is 7, so what will be the total sum? 14. Largest number is just closer to the average into average is nothing but Sn by n. Am I right? Average is nothing but Sn by n. Okay, I will take that example, I will do it. If the series is in arithmetic progression, average is first term plus last term by 2. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to n. The difference is constant, that means these in AP. I can use this concept. Now see here, listen carefully, step by step. Step number 1. There are natural numbers from 1 to n which are written on a board. So average, it is actually nothing but first term plus last term by 2. But after erasing one number, it is 35 7 by 17. It is 35. It is not equivalent to 35 7 by 17. It is approximated because this is the average after erasing one number. Can I say that n will be very close to 70? N will be very close to 70. Think logically. For example, if 70 numbers are there on the board, 1, 2, 3 till 70. Assume there are 70 numbers. Nobody erased any number. What will be the average? First term plus last term by 2. 71 by 2, which is 35.5. What is 35 7 by 17? 7 by 17 is 0.4. 35.4 is closer to 35.5, right? That means n is revolving around 70. We don't know what is the value of n. It could be 69, it could be 71. We only know that the value of n is around 70. The value of n is around 70. Now what is the question that is given? After erasing one number, average is nothing but average is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. These 35 7 by 17. If I convert these mixed fraction into fraction, these is nothing but 602 by 17. 602 by 17. These 35 into 17 plus 7 divided by 17. So 35 into 17. 17 5s are 85, 595 plus 7 divided by 17, which is 602 by 17. After erasing one number, it is 602 by 17. Now listen. After erasing number of numbers are 17 and I am saying that n is closer to 70. Multiply by 4. Why? Because n should be closer to 70. What is the multiple of 17 closer to 70? 68. This is 2408 divided by 68. 1 minute, sir. So total 68 numbers are there on the board. Total 68 numbers are there on the board after erasing one number. Total how many numbers they will be there on the board? 69. So average is nothing but, if 69 numbers are there, 69, sum of the first and natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Total numbers are 69. 235 are. These are nothing but 2415 divided by 69. I hope why 69 we got, I hope it is clear. After erasing one number, average is 68. 68, n is 68 after erasing one number. So total numbers on the board is 1 to 69. Average is Sn by n. So total 69 numbers are there. 69 numbers are there whose sum is 2415. After erasing one number got decreased, 68. Sum is 2408. So what is the number erased? Number erased, it is nothing but 7. No equations, nothing, no quadratic equation. Simple way of looking at the question, you will get the answer. Now if you see here, directly you will get the answer. 1 plus n by 2, it is closer to 35 point something. N is closer to 70. Denominator, it is 17. What is the multiple of 17 closer to 70? 17 fours are 68. Total numbers are 69. Sir, what if the multiple of denominator has two numbers close to it? That also we will discuss. Not a single doubt, you will get it in the class. Number erased, it is nothing but 7. Suppose, let us take one more example. One more example to ensure that you understand this concept clearly. There are 1 to n number which are which are written on a board. After erasing one number, new average is 27 4 by 13. New average is 27 4 by 13. Two questions. Which number is erased? Number erased. How many numbers are written on the board? How many numbers are written on the board? Let us see. Two questions. Directly we can say that 53 numbers are there. If you have understood the catch in the question, answer is 53. So do summation 53 and do the difference with the numerator, you will get the answer. That is a right verbal way of doing it. Again we will do. Step number 1. Actual average is, the series is in AP. 1 plus n by 2 is closer to 27 4 by 13. N is closer to 54 or 53. It is just the value which is oscillating around the value. It does not matter whether you take 54 or 53. So new average, step number 2. New average, it is nothing but average, it is sum of the quantities by number of the quantities. It is 27 4 by 13. 13, these 13 sevens are 91, 355. 355 by 13. What is the multiple of 13 closer to 53? Into 4. So which is nothing but 1420 by 52. 52 numbers, sum is 1420. 52 numbers, n is closer to 53. So that means total how many numbers are there on the board? 53 numbers are there on the board. What is the actual average? Actual average is Sn by n. That is the average after erasing one number. So these 53 into 54 by 2 divided by 53. These 1431 divided by 53. 1431 is the average for 53 numbers. 1420 is the average for 52 numbers. So number erased is nothing but 11. Number erased is nothing but 11. I hope the idea is clear. In the future, right, in the month of September or October, I will take very high advanced. Then I will take after erasing two numbers. We will go step by step, right? I hope the idea it is clear. This is a previous year CAT question. Another previous year question. Another previous year question. 1 minute, sir. Another previous year question. Let us take. Please write down the question. Write all concepts, sir. I will not do just formula based question. Each and every question teaches a concept to you. And if you listen to my explanation again, somewhere you will understand the root cause of the problem and minimize your steps. Right? Next, there are 1 to n numbers which are there on the board. Anil Nair asked a student to add all these numbers. A student added one number twice. A student added one number twice. A student added one number twice and told the sum as 1000. And told the sum as 1000. Right? Which number he added twice? Which number is added twice? And these also a previous year CAT question. How many numbers were written on the board? How many numbers were written on the board? Written on the board. Very easy question. First we will go step by step. First we will go step by step. Now see here. There are certain consecutive natural numbers from 1 to n. First we will discuss the concept. So these actual sum is 1 plus 2 plus 3 and so on up to n. If you probably cannot remember sum of first natural numbers, write it in reverse order. N plus n minus 1 and so on up to 1. S plus s, it is 2s. So it is n plus 1. Again it is n plus 1. So added n times. So 2 is added 4 times, 2 into 4. N plus 1 added n times, so it is n into n plus 1 by 2. Sum of the first n natural numbers is n into n plus 1 by 2. Now see here. If he has not added any number twice, actual sum is n into n plus 1 by 2. So there is one number, it seems that one number could be any number from 1 to n. That one number could be any number from 1 to n. So that is added twice. That we don't know which number. It is nothing but 1000. N into n plus 1 by 2 plus x equivalent to 1000. This is every number is added only once. There out of that n numbers, there is one number which is counted twice. We don't know that number. So it is plus x equivalent to 1000. Seems like a complex equation with two variables x and 9. I will try to do it without even doing equations. N into n plus 1 by 2 plus x equivalent to 1000. 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to n. Now listen carefully. Now listen. So I will approximate it into n into n plus 1 by 2. See, x is a single digit number from 1 to n. N into n plus 1 by 2. This is n plus 1 is closer to n. This is n square by 2. This is a linear value. N square, it is a square value. Obviously, square value will be much bigger than a singular value. 12 is a singular value. 12 square by 2, 144 by 2, 72. There is a huge difference between 12 and 72. 7, it is a singular number. 7 square by 2, 49 by 2, 24.5. N into n plus 1 by 2, it is much bigger. So x is small when compared to this value. So it is closer. N plus 1, it is closer to n. N square, it is closer to 2000. What is the perfect square? Just closer to 2000. This is nothing but 44 square. It is nothing but 1936. 44 square is 1936. So n value, it is 44. Sir, how directly you wrote it as 44 square as 1936? What I did is, see here, x square and 50 minus x whole square. They both will have same last two digits. They both will have same last two digits. I hope it is clear. X square 50 minus x square. It is 2000. 45 square is 45 into 45, which is 2025. So the number just less than 45, it is nothing but 44. 44 square. In case if you got doubt why it is 44, 44 square. 44 square is 1936. That shortcut also we will discuss. Just park this for some time. 44 square is 1936. Take the perfect square just less than right hand side. Take the perfect square just less than right hand side. Sir, here you said approximation, but you are equating. I will prove you that any value less than 44, it is not possible. Any value greater than 44, it is not possible. So the only case possible is 44. Suppose if I take 43, this is 43 into 44 by 2 plus x equivalent to 1000. So these are nothing but 222s are 22 3s are 66. 88 plus 6. 88 plus 6 946. 946 plus x is 1000. X value will be 54. Array, I am telling that I took 44 natural numbers. You are telling that number added twice is 54. It is not possible. Less than 44, it is not possible. Greater than 44, 45. 45 into 46 by 2. These are nothing but 45 into 23. Into 23 can be written as 45 into 20 plus 2 plus 1. 900 plus 90 plus 45. It is exceeding 1000. So greater than 44 not possible. Less than 44 not possible. The only value which is possible is nothing but 44 square. So substitute. It is nothing but 44 into 45 by 2 plus x. It is nothing but 1000. 22. 22 into 45, 990. The number added twice is nothing but 10. The number which is added twice is nothing but 10. I hope it is clear. Just a little bit of approximation and squares if you are good in it. I will tell you, write two techniques which will help you to save your time. Right? If you are good in approximation, you will get the answer very fast. I hope the idea it is clear. 44. So take the perfect square just less than 2000. So that means the idea it is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2 plus x. This is the equation. Plus x equivalent to 1000. 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to n. So these is nothing but. This all you have to do is x is very small. N plus 1 is very close to n. Take a perfect square just less than 2000. This is the catch in the question. Let me do one more example. N into n plus 1 by 2 plus x. It is nothing but 130. There are certain natural numbers, one number added twice. 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to n. N square, it is closer to 260. N square closer to 260. So n is nothing but 16. 16 square is 256. 16 into 17 by 2 plus x equivalent to 130. 2 1s are 2 8s are. So if I take n equivalent to 16 square is 256. So 8 into 17. 8 7s are 56. 8 plus 5 13. 130. 136 plus x equivalent to 130. X is nothing but negative. If you got negative, go to the previous value. I hope there are no calculation mistakes. So n square is closer to 260. N square closer to 260. It is nothing but 16 square is 256. Take for n equivalent to 15. 15 into 16 by 2 plus x equivalent to 130. 2 8s are 120. The number which is added twice is nothing but 10. Ensure that you don't get a negative value because you are taking 17 natural numbers. From 1 to 17 you cannot get x negative. Be very, very careful. I hope it is clear. Be very, very careful. I hope the idea it is clear. So what I was trying to say to you is x square 50 minus x whole square x square 50 minus x whole square has the same last two digits. X square 50 minus x whole square has same last two digits. It is in fact plus or minus. It is also nothing but 100 plus or minus x whole square has same last two digits. If you know this concept, you can solve a lot of problems very easily. You can solve a lot of problems very easily. In fact, in a CAT question, there is a question that is there, x square equivalent to AA44. X square equivalent to AA44. A and x are natural numbers, right? Natural number digits. Find a plus x. Find a plus x. Listen carefully, sir. X square equivalent to AA44. Find a and x are natural numbers. Find a plus x. This is 44. What is the smallest number? On square, I will get 44. 12 square is 144. 12 square is 144. Now see here. Sum of odd places it is 4 plus a. Sum of even places it is 4 plus a. X should be divisible by 11. X should be divisible by 11. I hope the idea it is clear. So 50 minus 12, 38. Not divisible by 11. 50 plus 12, 62. Not divisible by 11. 100 minus 12, 88. 88 square if I do, I will get 7744. 88 square is 7744. So x value is nothing but 88. X is a number, a is a digit. So x is 88 and a is 7. So a plus x answer came out to be 95. X is a digit here and x is a natural number. I hope the idea it is clear. One more question which we will do. X square equivalent to AB 76. Find a plus b plus x equivalent to abx. X square equivalent to AB 76. Now see here, sir. Listen carefully. 76. What is the shortcut which I discussed in the last two digits? 76 power any natural number. Last two digits is 76. 76 power any natural number. Automatically, this is nothing but 76 square. 76 square, if you are good in square of a number, it is 5776. 5776. Answer is 76 plus 5 plus 7. 12 plus 76 is 88. I hope the idea is clear, or otherwise you can go by this logic. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 76. 24 square is 576. 24 square is 576. I hope it is clear. So what will be the next number? 50 minus 24. 26 square, it is a 3-digit number. 50 plus 24, 100 minus 24. Check it out for 74 square, whether you are getting last two digits 76, you will not get last two digits. So answer is 76 square. I hope this idea it is clear. This is one application. This is one application. Another application. See here, I told this concept in the simplification, but I will again spend time for 1 or 2 minutes so that it will be easy for you to understand when we are solving future problems. Find the square root for perfect squares. Find the square roots for perfect square. All are perfect squares. Root of 5329. Root of 8281. Root of 10816, root of 1444. All are perfect square. Non-perfect square I already discussed. Now see here. Root of 5329, root of 8281, 10816 and 1444. Put a slash after two digits. Put a slash after two digits because it is square root. 43 lies between which two numbers? 7 square 49. And 8 square 64. 29. What is the smallest number? On square I will get 29 at the end. 23 square is 529. Number should be between 70 and 80. 50 plus 23. Answer is nothing but 73 square will give you. So answer is 73. You don't need to Check with 73 or 77. 81. 81. First thing, what is the smallest number? On square I will get 81. 9 square is 81. This is 9 square 81 and 10 square 100. The number lies between 90 and 10. X square, it is 81. 100 minus 9. 91 square. Answer is nothing but 91. This is 16. 4 square, it is 16. 108 lies between which numbers? 10 square 100 and 11 square 121. It lies between 100 and 110. X square 16. 100 plus 4. 104, it is the answer. Just by looking at a question itself, you will get the answer. 44. 12 square, it is 144. 14 lies between which two numbers? 3 square 9 and 4 square 16. So 12. 50 minus 12. 38 lies between 30 and 40. I hope the application it is clear. This is how you can find out the square root for perfect square based upon this logic. What is the logic? X square 50 into k plus or minus x whole square. These both will have same last two digits. X square 50 into k plus or minus x whole square has the same last two digits. I hope the idea it is clear. It helps you in the squares and the square roots of a perfect square. Non-perfect square I discussed in the simplification class. Kindly go through it. Now another question. I added one number twice. Otherwise, there are certain consecutive natural numbers from 1 to n which are written on a board. A student while adding forgot to add one number. Another case, forgot to add one number, and the resultant sum is 575. Again, we did the question where one number is added twice. Now we will do the question where one number he forgot to add. Number forgot. Next one, how many numbers are there written on the board? Two questions will solve. Now it will be very easy to you. Actually, if he is adding all the numbers, n into n plus 1 by 2. He forgot to add one number. It could be any number from 1 to n. So the equation is 1 less than or equivalent to x less than or equivalent to n. X is a single digit number, n square by 2 is a little bigger number. So this is always a higher value. So n into n plus 1 by 2 is closer to 575. N plus 1 is closer to 575. N square it is closer to 1150. Here in that number we are subtracting. In the previous number we are adding. Adding means I took a perfect square just less than the value. I will take a perfect square just greater than the value. So 34 square is 1156. So answer is 34 into 35 by 2 minus x, it is nothing but 575. 2 17s are 595 minus x equivalent to 575. Number forgot to add, it is nothing but 20. 2 n into n plus 1 by 2, I am adding something. So the value will grow. So that is the reason I took a perfect square just less than the right hand side. Here one number I forgot to add. So it is n into n plus 1 by 2 minus x equivalent to 575. 595 minus x equivalent to 575. These are nothing but number forgot to add, it is nothing but 20. I hope the idea it is clear. Sir, how you got 34 directly? That also there is a logic that we will see it. Now squares of the numbers till 35 we can use in case if you are from a computer science background. This logic is called the backtracking logic. This logic is called backtracking logic. Backtracking logic. In fact, in 44 squares also, there is one more logic that also we will discuss. All you need to be good if you are from a non-max background is till 25. Rest all can be derived. Now, if you see here, listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Very interesting concept it is. Squares of the numbers till 35. 21 square, it is 441. 22 square, it is 484. 23 square, it is 529. 24 square, it is 576. 25 square, it is 625. Suppose I want 26 square. Step number 1. 26 is 1 unit greater than 25. Go 1 unit back. The value is 576. 1 unit, add 100. So the answer is 676. Suppose if it is 28 square. 28 is 3 units greater than 25. Go 3 units back. 25 minus 3 is 22. 22 square is 484. 3 units, add 300. Answer is 784. If it is 34 square, step number 1. 34 is 9 more than 25. Go 9 units back. Deriving the unknown from the known. 25 minus 9 is 16. 16 square is 256. 9 add 900. So answer is nothing but 1156. Just a perfect square greater than 1150 is 1156. One more we will do. 31 square. 31 is 6 units greater than 25. Go 6 units back. 19 square, 361. 6 units, add 600. 361 plus 600. Answer is nothing. One single page is missing. This question will clarify a lot of doubts, right? You may get from the previous problem. One single page is missing from a book. One single page is missing. Page numbers are written. Page numbers are written on either side of the page. Page numbers are written on either side of the page, starting from 1. Page numbers are written on either side of the page, starting from 1. Starting from 1. This is a very, very important point sequentially. Page numbers are written on either sides of the page, starting from 1 sequentially. Average of the remaining page numbers. Average of the remaining page numbers was found to be 25 2 by 3. Was found to be 25 2 by 3. Which page numbers were missing? Very, very good question, sir. Which page numbers were missing? Let us see this question. Very, very good quality cat level question. From a book, one single page is missing. Page numbers are written on either sides of the page, starting from 1 sequentially. Starting from 1 sequentially. Average of the remaining page numbers. Suppose see here. There is a book. In this book, there is one page which is missing. I will keep it here. So, every page numbers are written from what? On both the sides. 1, 2, 3, it is 4, 5, it is 6, 7, 8. Page numbers are written on both the sides of the page, starting from 1. This is one page number which is missing. Page number, if it is odd, this side it will be even. Odd plus even, it will be odd. If this side page number it is even, this side it will be odd. Even number plus odd number. Even number plus odd number. It is nothing but an odd number. If one page is missing from the page number, the sum of the page numbers will be even plus odd, it is odd. That is the first important key point, concept. If a page is missing, a page will have front and back side. Front page as well as the back page. Front page, if this page number it is odd, back page it is an even number. Odd plus even it is odd. If this is even, this will be odd. Front and back will be consecutive. Even plus odd, this will be odd. That means if one page is missing, sum of the page numbers is definitely an odd number. Sum of the page numbers, it is definitely an odd number. I hope the idea it is clear. If one page is missing, one page will have two page numbers, front and back. Sum of the page numbers was found to be odd, right? Found to be odd number. This is one important learning which will be useful for us, right, while solving a question. Now see here, let us go step by step. Step number one. Let the page numbers are from 1 to n. Anyway, it is given that page numbers are starting from 1 to n. Step number 2. Because of the missing page, average came out to be 25 2 by 3. Average came out to be 25 2 by 3. Average is nothing but Sn by n. Because the page numbers are sequential, first term plus last term by 2, it is closer to 25 2 by 3. N is closer to 50. N is closer to 50. Now if you see here, 25 2 by 3 is 77 by 3. Now here n is 3 and I am saying that n is closer to 50. N can be just less than 50 or just greater than 50. Just less than 50 is 48. Just greater than 50 is 51. So two cases. This is because of the missing page. So multiply it by just less than 50, it is 77 by 3 into 16. These into 16. Right? Just greater than 50. The two cases are possible. 77 by 3 into 17 and it is into 17. So these nothing but 112. These 1232 by 48. 1232 by 48. Listen carefully. Two cases will come. Either case 1 or case 2. 1232 by 48. Let me call these as case number 1. Case number 1, it is 1232 by 48. 48 page numbers are there because of missing page. Every page will have two page numbers. So total page numbers will be 123 till 50. 123 till 50. So average is nothing but Sn by n. So 50 into 51 divided by 2 divided by 50. This is 25 ones are 25, right? 120, 1275 divided by 50. I hope this idea it is clear. Why 48 became 50? Every page will have two page numbers. So 48 became 50. Right? 1275 it is an odd number. 1232 also an odd number. Case number 2. 51 page numbers are there after missing. So it is nothing but 53 it will be there. 1, 2, 3 and so on up to 53. So average is nothing but 53 into 54 by 2 divided by 53. I hope it is clear. 2 ones are 2 27s are. Now see here, 77 into 17, odd into odd, it is odd. 53 into 27, odd into odd, it is odd. Odd minus odd, it is an even number. But we said that if one page is missing, it will have page numbers on both the sides. So this is nothing but odd plus even plus odd is also odd. So this case will not arise because odd minus odd I am getting even. If one page is missing, page numbers on both the sides, odd plus even plus odd, odd. So it just cannot be the second case. So 48, 1275, 1232. So page number sum is 43, which is nothing but 21 plus 22, which is nothing but 21 plus 22. I hope the idea it is clear to you. 25 2 by 3, 77 by 3, n close 3 closer to 50, just less than 50, just greater than 50. 48 page numbers are there, one page is missing, one page will have two page numbers, 1 to 50, average is 127 by 5 by 50. 1275, 1232, remaining it is 43. 43 can be written as 21 plus 22. I hope the idea it is clear. Very good question. What if the denominator multiples, if you get more than one multiples, if you take less than 48, that case will not be possible like the previous case. Good question, very good question. Now let us see another few questions. A student asked me this doubt. 11111 written 243 times divided by 243. 11111 written 243 times divided by 243. Sir, is there any approach to this question? First see this concept. Suppose I am writing 2 3 times. 2 divided by 3. 6 divided by 3, remainder 0, right? Next it is, if I write 5, 9 times divided by 9, 5, 9 times divided by 9. What is the divisibility rule of 9? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 9. 5 into 9, 45. 45, it is divisible by 9. So one important conclusion, any single non-zero digit, any single non-zero digit written 3 power n times, is always divisible by 3 power n. Any single non-zero digit written 3 power n times, it is always divisible by 3 power n. I hope the idea it is clear. 243 is 3 power 5. 243 is again 3 power 5. Any single non-zero digit written 3 power n times, it is always divisible by 3 power n. I hope the idea it is clear. Suppose if the question is 7 is written 81 times divided by 81. Any single non-zero digit written 3 power n times is always divisible by 3 power n. I hope the idea it is clear. This is the concept. One student asked me, sir, is there any better method to solve this question which came in mock? The question is 29A031 into 342. It is equivalent to 100,900B02. Find the values of A and B. Find the values of A and B. There is a right multiplication which is given. One digit it is missing in the left hand side. One digit it is missing in the right hand side. We have to find out the value of A and B. Solution. Listen carefully. First root cause of the problem is 342. 342. Digital sum is nothing but 9. 342. Digital sum is nothing but 9. You multiply any number with digital sum 9. 9 4s are 36. Digital sum it is 9. 9 12s are 108. Digital sum is again 9. 9 multiplied by any natural number. 9 multiplied by any natural number. Answer digital sum is always 9. 9 multiplied by any natural number. Answer digital sum is always 9. 342. 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 multiplied by any number. Answer digital sum will always be 9. So these nothing but 1 plus B plus 2. 1 plus B plus 2. Digital sum it is always 9. So B value has to be 6. B value has to be 6. I hope it is clear. So now we will write the equation once again. 629A031 into 342. It is nothing but 100,900,602. Now we have to find out the value of A. One way to do it is divide this number by 342, very cumbersome process, or otherwise you can use the divisibility rule of 11. Use the divisibility rule for 11. If I use the divisibility rule for 11, these are nothing but 100,900,602. Sum of the odd places, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 0, 8, 8 plus 0 plus 1, 9. Sum of the even places, it is 9. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Here it is 0. That means right hand side is divisible by 11. Right hand side is divisible by 11. This is divisible by 11. This is not divisible by 11. This should be divisible by 11. So answer is 1 plus 0 plus 9. So these are nothing but 10. 10 minus of 5 plus A. It should be divisible by 11. It should be divisible by 11. For it to be divisible by 11, this difference can be either 0 or a multiple of 11. So A value can be 5. A value it is 5 and B value it is 6. It's a very simple question which is checking the divisibility rule of 9 and 11. Which is checking the divisibility rule of 9 and 11. I hope it is clear. Divisibility rule for 11 is sum of the odd places minus sum of the even places. Each and every problem, kindly watch it again, understand the concept, revisit the concept. Thanks a lot for attending these classes. Write special CAT workshop. In case if you enjoy the content, kindly click on the like button and share these CAT workshop videos with all your friends. Right? In case if you want any particular content in aptitude to be discussed as workshop, please comment on the video. In case if you have seen this video and respect the hard work that you are putting it, kindly like it and share it. Share your comments on that video. Thanks a lot for watching the video. With love, Anil Nair.